If the new version of your Disney Plus application is having error, follow the steps to resolve your problem. First of all, you can try uninstalling the Disney Plus application and reinstall it. This is the most effective solution. So tap and hold on to this application, tap on uninstall in the top, and tap on OK to confirm. As Disney Plus is not available in my region, you can follow the same steps I'll be doing for Disney Star's application. Now tap and hold on to this application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage. From here, click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, reopen your Disney Plus application and relog in again. Now check for updates. Update to your Disney Plus application on your device, App Store or Play Store. For that, simply search for Disney Plus application. And if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. Then turn off your device and the router for 30 seconds and turn them back on. You can also try logging out and logging back in and try opening Disney Plus on a different device or a browser. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and if your Wi-Fi is not working, you can try switching to mobile data and vice versa. And if nothing works, contact the Disney Plus Help Center with your device and account information. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.